Listeners who the all-time view and listen na Yoyo Network, me na Jibril Abbas Kamara, Abbas Wisdom Kamara, we the serve as una presenter for today. Well, we dey come gonna Kuwait, where we get with sister online now, where they come tell we in story how in the suffer from the hands of the people and we go work for na Kuwait. Well, in the na the line round, we go set for tell we what in it they go to na Kuwait.
Na Kuwait, you see big woman they cry. I tell me, madam, say, go to me, I'm not able to work. I say, it's too much. I need sleep till how much o'clock. My condition don't change for me, everything. I don't even take 2 months. I don't wait. Then go to me in the office. Madam, go to me in the office. Tell the office woman where they work with me, brother. They are not ever know say na 3 agents I go. Then go to me in the office. Now know say na 3 agents again. Then call and they down to the last one where they salon. I say I know they able. If na other house will not change me, but this particular house I know they able. Not knowing that na me agent in girlfriend be don't can then count for like can work na the house, but not be able to work because of the work is too much na the house make interwas then return. Then take me on passport, they exchange me for saying na me they can replace her. Then take me passport, they exchange me, saying na me they can replace her. The woman tell me say no need for exchange me, let me go work. I say watch me condition, it's too much. Transfer me in another house. He say nothing. Go work. I say okay. We go Ramadan time I work till me condition it changed totally entirely. The last sick was sick na the host now we make a tawa a come out a call me agency. If you don't pull me at the left here, la go in this house I feel for good and catch me no while about the return salon. I sick I want die. That day we they go to me madam in people always they say we reach they say Adam a candle as I the candle then just see me phone I go try for me they know able me get go na hospital. Doctor go begin check me they tell me they ask me if I get asthma, if I don't develop asthma, then say they say no, never in my life. Doctor say if I continue for work like that, my life I dey lost in at young age. I want develop pressure. And it's very bad for me if I continue for do something. They make me a breathe fast and it lost my life at young age. Doctor say rest for 1 week in the hospital. Madam say no, in the go rest in the house. We go na house. The drip in coil in me and the as we reach in picking and pull all them clothes. They say can't book there. The coil in me and the trembleness they per me force. Why I just come up and I don't book the all with me and there. The water na impula coil na me and if I can see pay me the month where I make the 3 months I see pay me na atawa na as I dey come out. God so help I not be don't send me money because if I for be don't send me I not for begin nobody they rescue me and that because salon brother the way you call anybody for let go save you the first way they ask you for you get money. Then at the first way they ask you if you say no get money when see the up black call like you call an 90 jubilee ne pick again. We go. Now I call the agents. I say, "Fen will let them put me in this. If they not put me in this house, I they left here. I they go in this house. I feel for go. He say, okay, wait. I laugh and one of my friend we can go pull me go pull you. A friend call me. I show and the address. He asked me if I get money. I say yes. I not send me 3 months salary. Today na me and he say okay, go pull me. I pay out. I go for pay. We go na your house. The don't go na your house. The fever like say when you go pull post, you call your friends. Everybody say let them come home. New one they don't come out. When they talk about say brother I sleep with some of his sister, you don't know person come out. New one they don't come out. Also come out to sit down at the parlor and not be so oh man new one in this. That's no more everybody just they ask question. Say we what is a full go lodge. The room then go put we before they enter they step of foot inside the room. 50k the name common on me and that very day they again na the day where the one we get in room tell me say he wants me. I say no, it's not going to work. I don't want. Take me as his small sister. He say okay, not knowing that he still lays in heart. The other back say wants my friend back say take me as his small sister. Then say okay, not knowing that he still there at the heart there. We then at that place they say 12 o'clock midnight, and then guys then they say make we left them place. 12 o'clock midnight upon no reason. What we do now? Nothing. No explanation, no nothing. What we don't do, we make una say we left this place. Midnight, 12 o'clock. If not to go there, pray another Sierra Leonean brother go rescue we back. He say una can in a my own place first. We go then in place. Tell God make we find we own place back. We pass Fadani back. Another Sierra Leonean brother puts me inside back. We enter inside for go walk. Puts me inside back for go walk. We go for go walk. We walk 3 good months. We dey pa walk na that host day. Now I can feel sick because my condition are not for fasting water. I can feel sick. Blood dey come on my nose. Me head where are they breathe now, so they see the weight itself, like when they say young baby, then they born away, when they go inside. Call that salon brother, call her, say, dear Papa, call this woman, let them pay me half money. Let them pay me because I don't have 2 days for that flop, the 3 months. Call let them pay me half money, ma come on, I don't go treat myself. Do all kinds of say the woman say let they pay. Me and Mr. Low sister ain't don't finish in months. That day the end of pay. The sick was by me, the lady say Adam I say if na me money me I dey left her. But more go la go make them treat na do. He say this kind of condition not continue. He say you not going to finish this month. No we go. Pass where I take me madam me number again to another person. The person call it pretend like I say na me agent. Then make the madam give me 95 KD out of 140 KD. The madam for pay me give me 95 KD. They say make I go mend myself like come back. Me compy one go left me the madam me mama say Natile no go me compy pass where you go na way. You go na way enter inside the motor car we go. As we they reach that day, then I got to a point pull me na do. I did in my life for be don't hand. Everybody then send me pictures the all side the first aid treatment where the Ghana guy go give me for make her for be stop because the blood they come up and me like water. The first aid treatment where the Ghana guy makes say let it do for make it stop the blood as the ace made beyond a damage, you don't damage me. I go unconscious, not able to do again nothing. Me pictures then and they just send me pictures and say once I don't and pick it perfect my life. My sister they cry say I don't die. Then they me pictures they don't go down to the union. Call say dear let them fetch waves. Sierra Leone and picking it perfect my life. You won't die. 2 of his Sierra Leonean brothers then and then go rescue me, go to me in a hospital, emergency room, they make say God make a able count to life back. The union they no mass date until the next day. Now they send representative. The representative will go back where he go, you know, even go watch the sick woman for see how the sick man they do. Instead they go bet by me own sister back. Now he go engpa. When my sister say no answer the word we alter say for tomorrow bambai, you get for need me help. Now that say so we will not go ever get help in this country if we not sleep with man in this country. A pass by that Sierra Leonean brother they later we call her say now this lady we don't pull me, it don't make I don't can survive. Please don't fight to let the madam pay money. He said the madam say let they pay because the lady run away. So we don't give up, say maybe the madam no pay the money. Pass when my friends then and then talk to me. They say Adam you madam me like you call your madam on if you know they agree for pay the lady money. Because me madam me be like me like mama now they give me tough time now the house because of now maybe they talk the Arabic, my company they talk Arabic. The mommy back they speak English, they Creole. So when they get in, me then they call, me na the middle man where they translate for the way the mommy talk and translate for my computer, where my computer talk and translate for the mommy. So then they be make mommy they call again my company. Me no wanna eat a tower for call. Me no wanna they send any error way want. So then they all make me a week, and then they will get time for myself. So I go for call me madam. I say madam, madam asks me how you do, how you feel, and I say I do fine. He say when you well they come, I say yes I come. I say what about my friend? Now he say no that day my mama say no answer because of go left you. Now I say, hey, but na me call life. Okay, if una so na no answer what my money. Na ending, madam say you agent scout 2 people there. He say we don't give am the money there. You have money plus that lady money. He say with the 2 kadama the way count back 350k the way count for let them carry replacement. He say na 350k do give them. Now I say which agent madam describe for me that I will collect the money, send for me the number. I call me agents in be don't return. Call am say how will you do for this girl money for make no man able get truth from am. He say the madam say pay. Now say Mr. Man left for life and me the madam don't pay. The madam tell me say don't pay the money and he don't describe for me that I'll pay the money. How will you do for the lady money? Oh, I be send the person, but like this person, I don't know if you don't collect the money, this that it talk blah blah. Later I call the how we go collect the money. I say the money we go collect where am. He say I don't collect them, but the how we say my collector, he not tell me say my give now. I said he not tell you say like give your money, oh don't go suffer for one and go die inside there. He say not say like give ya. Would I say like he say he not tell me say like give now. The hand they always say like give, I don't give it. I say I call him back. Later, he come up and to me say, if na me want to do, I say yes. He say okay, please. The money we then go collect. I don't give 150k to that my girlfriend. I don't give 150k to that other pikin who I go pass and give belle. Then go with the pikin partner. You would say talk blah blah blah. I say so you. If na die for be die na that house, you for be game and go collect me late body money. Eat some. I say you for be game and go collect me late body money. Eat some, right? See another into that sika they inside the house they call you for more than 2 weeks. And they call you, they show you the blood where they come up at me, and they call you video call, and they what is safe, and they strain, and they say watch me where are they suffer. Let them pay me half money like come out you tawa say no, you know the door. You say you know the you say the woman agree for pay. Now we come on and do due to the condition of where are they done, you get the bold man collect that money, they make the shape and give you girlfriend the way they not go inside for work, they not go do nothing. That's okay. Maybe due to that the Walmart are not left us so maybe explain give me people learn and send the voice record them. We want to say for that money up till now we know you will get her. Instead later na threat remarks back and give me say in don't go swear me, in they kill me, in don't go this. I left unto God. If not true something he do, let Allah decide the case between we and him. Pass it this say we not suffer for that money, but if this will suffer, we don't left unto God. Let Allah decide the case. A pass madam they are another Sierra Leonean sister. Put we inside back na other house. We go work there for 1 month and 2 days inside that house there. We come out, they not pay we money back. We see a Leonean sister we don't collect in deposit. We go work, we suffer another house when they sleep say 3 o'clock. 6 o'clock they don't wake back. We suffer in 1 month and wait safe, they know you will pay we. The people in tower say no they pay we. We go cry for we say Leonean and sister say okay now, them people around tower say they know they pay we. How we go do now? We have said to one people will say, dear please, even if we know you will get to salary or money there for be 150k then for each person. If we know you will get to money, okay please just give me 50k for we all too. Not to 50k or 50k for no we pay our house rent. Even if we know you will get no money, but no we will pay our house rent. He say he no get money. For all the money that we don't they get a Ghanaian brother where we not sabi from another country name rescue we that they pay for with that house rent. The guy say, eh, this now na Sierra Leonean sister, this na picking they then go work, they don't go so far. You want to tell me say you as an agent every day you put kadama there inside, every day you put kadama there. Want to say you get nothing. He say I no get money. Na so money left both up to now back. Na so that money they go both. It's too much for we na this hell of a country. We agree, we know say we travel illegally. But due to stupidity, we know you understand. Due to curiosity, we know you understand curious of traveling. we no even understand wetin dey inside. We brothers dem wicked, we dem know the difference between visa 18, visa 20. They know the difference. They no dey ever talk say there are two visas. They only they tell you say make you passport, pay so money. They no dey tell you the visa. You know they see 18 or 20. You know they know all over Arabic. Pass you reach you enter say now they can't know the difference. Say there is a visa 18 and visa 20. You know they ever know. Always then care for now the money where the madam then they pay. The madam they pay for any each kadama where you send inside. So madam they pay 800 kd. Sunday they pay 700 kd. Way close to $2,500. Now they pay now you paid where they count you. Don't why say they take money back now you anyanda. So please, we will just a big. Like me so are they on the way for that trial return to my country. Na salon a day they mend me up till now and not die. They mend me salon. If you say na garu be cham and they say I don't go up. So if I travel for can do achieve me goals and not able before I can die at a young age, every now and then we sisters them, then they die for this same kind of pressure. And right now my condition what they at risk every day. Doctors and they advise me say I get in what is before I can die pressure at risk. I get right now low blood pressure while they take treatment right now, and I still live before I can get a short life. Are they at the point of returning to my country? They do so enough. Always too they say the woman would encounter as ambassador. Please, we sisters and they wouldn't know the date for return. We just they beg, say they plead, say please, may they assist them, let them wait, say let them able save them, for let them able continue able achieve their goals. Now that they now they beg for please. We know say we travel illegal way, but we get people in here when they supposed to help we Philippines, then they help them, then they help other countries. We get people in here when they supposed to help we. Wait before say even if they catch person when you go, then people before say if you go to my pay they will release some. When they come out to brothers, they know the advice we say take your paper, then get the opportunity for take with papers. They come out one part they know they advise you, one part is know they say can make some man they get the lane. Only for them pen for you, Baba, where they go stand for you, then you pay the money. And then they ever advise you, then they tell you, say, forget about paper. Enter, I say, but they no say strictly for saying, when you no get paper, you will continue for suffer at this country. Instead, they tell you, forget about that paper, then. Enter, I say, go. But that enter, I say, they make money now you eat because any put you inside, in they get over 100 kd. Any put you inside, in they get over 100 kd, so turn about 40 kd, no more, you they pass them. Because if you talk price with the madam say 150 or 140 or what is if you talk price with the madam say 250 or 240, the 110 kd na you get or the 100 kd na you get you na you get the 140. You way to go suffer. Una the share by equal. Please, who they beg, we know say we don't travel illegal way due to curiosity. But please, we they call on we elders, then please may they help change this thing in this country. We sisters then where then they sell, where they face, where they see, where they snap, where they post, say this, that they say make no come, but then they buy enjoy not to enjoyment to the power. Now suffer posh. Now they pay. Uda no go, he no go no. Now suffer posh now with paper. We paper suffer. Now go to just the hide and normal because of enough for put her in a place that everybody know how they suffer. But please, where possible tell you say get a program for can Kuwait, not ever allow a count you visa 20. In fact, not ever allow a count you as a woman and not say man them better. But woman, me own sister self, they tell me say get it, they make a program for I tell her for say let's sit down salon. If you other side or they make sit down first class salon, more with but not to quit. Because you know the difference between visa 18. Get some of sisters who count inside this county, they say that visa 18 there. Then they inside Kadama house back, then they suffer with them visa 18, they wouldn't count there with. But tap that visa 18, they say that visa 18 there, this be enter. Then they inside Kadama house, then they suffer. They say na visa 18 there. What are the difference? You know they know the difference between the visa, they know nothing. Now sufferness. So please, with sisters and me, I just the big. Kuwait not a country where possible for rush for camphor. More find another side. But this country, I just they say Alhamdulillah, I tell Allah thank you. Because I don't can learn new thing, I don't can know the language, and I don't can get experience. But enough is enough. Please.
Alright, Fambolem, would listen and view this one. Member say this na person way come out from Sierra Leone who gonna create so then go maltreat, and you don't take a lot of things them way onto you are lost in life. So if you listen this and view this one, do ya na for come to them aid and help them one way or the other. Don't forget say this na Yo-Yo Network, and me they moderate and present the program. My name na Jibril Abbas Kamara, Abbas Wisdom Kamara. I just want to tell thank you to we CEO and director of Yo-Yo Network, that you Abu Yo-Yo, and to we reporter them all about the country. God bless you all, and God continue for make we all help we serve one way or the other.